Gonna play this one smart. Patience is there, but the paranoia. Hold on, Utah out with your hands. Forsaken. He's isoed the fights. And something is wrecking them from on high. Paper X do it all.
Paper Rex, the Pacific Princes without a crown, they finally have their trophy. Denying the greatest team of all time and becoming legends themselves. It took everything, pushed to overtime. This one was not easy. It never is. But this will be a moment to remember and wipe away the tears of Copenhagen and Champs LA. Forsaken, what a job he's done with this squad.
And the whole team together.
I mean, Alex gets to join his players on stage for a celebration rather than bitter disappointment.
Tears of joy. Paper X have finally done it.
They've changed the narrative here today. You heard G2's Valin talking about trying to do that earlier in the tournament, but no team had a better opportunity to clutch greatness from the jaws of disappointment than
that script. Tears of joy. And for Paper X, this moment means everything. This moment right here is what all the hard work went into. Blood, sweat, and tears all the way to the end. But the time is nigh for the prince that was promised to finally be crowned Paper X, your Masters Toronto champions!
"1,064 days since Paper X's first chance at lifting a trophy. My God, how sweet it must taste. Fan favorites from beginning to end, everybody everywhere rooting for them to finally have this success. And we thought it would never happen. We thought after Champs that Jing might not even return to the stage. And yet here he is, alongside his brothers with trophy in hand.